Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It comes as a great pleasure to join you all at the opening of the new panoramic view floor and restaurants at the Centaurus Mall. As the first six-star hotel in the region, the Movenpick Hotel Centaurus Islamabad has already set a new benchmark for sophistication and luxury. Hoteling sector has a great potential to boost Pakistan's economy, tourism and global recognition. And I am positive that such milestones would greatly contribute to our shared national vision and goals in this regard. I recall in 1989, I was the Federal Minister for Tourism during the first tenure as the Premier Shaheed Mahatma Benazir Bhutto. And I declared tourism as an industry, which today everybody is benefiting for hotels and motels. That was my policy as a Minister for Tourism. To the Centaurus Mall and Movenpick Hotel managements, I commend your dedication and commitment to excellence in the hospitality and the gastronomy in Pakistan. Your efforts are the testament to the potential of our private sector to innovate, inspire, and lead. Ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered here not only to celebrate the new initiatives, but also pay tribute to the rich and diverse heritage of Pakistani cuisine. A land of unparalleled diversity, Pakistan is world famous for its food. We are a country where every province, every region, and every community brings its unique flavors, aromas, and traditions to the table. Food, ladies and gentlemen, is not just sustenance, it is a language of love, a bridge between cultures, and a powerful tool of diplomacy. Our own Pakistani cuisine is a reflection of our unity in diversity. I hope that these new restaurants and hotels at Centaurus will embody this spirit and offer a culinary experience that transcends borders and treats people to authentic flavors elevated by the fusion of traditions and modernity. Together we can make Pakistan symbol of culinary excellence and a coveted food tourism destination. I think that you have mentioned few things. That is for your hotel, that you have included so many things which previously we didn't have. Being as a political worker, I think if we patronize business community, they can bring wonders in the country. Only a few days back, I met the business community from the global forum. They came to Pakistan. They met the Prime Minister. They invited me in Islamabad Club. And I had the interaction with them. They were full of ideas. They wanted to serve the country. And through the remittances, they are also helping us. We have promised them to give incentives, and under the SIFC forum, that under one roof, they can provide facilities to the people who want to invest. And you have rightly mentioned about the new investment with this hotel, and you want to bring more investment into this Centaurus. We welcome you, and we will fully support you and assist you wherever you feel any bureaucratic hurdles. Therefore, I had been the Minister for Tourism and I had been the Minister for Housing and Works twice. And then a lot of development took place during those times. You recall, I got the idea of this Ministers' Enclave from Indonesia because they had the Ministers' Enclave with common facilities. And I initiated that in Islamabad. Now it is one of the most safest places opposite Marriott Hotel. And even I selected the site for the Prime Minister House with Mr. Muhammad Khan Junejo, who was the Prime Minister and I was the Minister for Housing and Works. And even I completed the Faisal Mosque. And also in Parliament, in the Allied Bank, my account number was 1. And at the same time, there had been lot of facilities, that's federal lodges, I got them constructed. Even now, the lodges which are for the Member of Parliament, I initiated. The best thing I initiated was that for bureaucracy, by the end of the tenure, they didn't have security. Like in the army, when they join the army, they get lots, they get houses. But similarly, I also introduced in I-81, I-82, I-83, I-84, that was the railway station. And I had also been the railway minister. I got it shifted to Gorla on the main line and give this all land for the federal government employees housing society. By the end of the tenure, every officer will have the ownership of a house. This I started it. If you expect honesty, integrity, dignity from an officer, what security he has when he retires. The first time when somebody retired, her widow came to me. She said, the people have changed. My own husband was the federal secretary. Now he has died. And they are removing me from the house. I said, give them extension for 6 months. And then we gave this initiative that by the end of the career, they should be the owner of the house. Therefore, we have to give facilities to both bureaucracy and to the business community so that they can invest in Pakistan, they should get the facilities, and at the same time, the people working abroad, Pakistan, the Pakistani community, diaspora, they should bring the money to Pakistan in remittances. Therefore, I pay tribute to Movenpick administration for giving this wonderful idea of 6 stars hotel. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.